How to use Krea AI real-time image generation. First, open your web browser and go to Krea.ai. Then sign in with your Google account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Real Time to open the live image generation workspace. Next, click the prompt box and describe the image you want to create. For example, type a futuristic city at sunset with neon lights, flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, 8K. As you type or edit your prompt, Krea AI will update the image in real time, so you can instantly see how your changes affect the result. Now, adjust settings, such as the aspect ratio, style, or guidance strength, if those options are available. Once you're happy with the preview, click Enhance or Upscale if you want a higher quality version. Finally, click the Save button to save your AI-generated image to your computer. That's it. You've successfully created an image using Krea AI real-time image generation. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, image creation tips, and easy tech guides.